This is how to add a subdomain on Vercel. From your dashboard, go to Domains, click Add Existing Domain, then add your subdomain. For instance, sub.webshanks.store, and just click Continue. Then we will select the project, then click Add Domain. Then click Learn More, and we will add this to our register. So we'll just create a CNAME. Let's go to our domain register, create a record, select CNAME, copy this name, paste it here, and for the value, let's copy this one and paste it here, and just click Save. Let's go back to our Vercel and let's refresh. And take note that it will take some time for the DNS to propagate. Then our subdomain is now online. So this is how to add a subdomain on Vercel.